7 interesting corn facts. 1. Corn is one of the most widely grown and versatile cereal crops in the world. It is cultivated on every continent except Antarctica. 2. Corn, also known as maize, was first domesticated by indigenous peoples in Mesoamerica around 10,000 years ago. It was an essential staple food for many Native American tribes. 3. There are hundreds of different varieties of corn, ranging in color from white and yellow to red, purple, and blue. Each variety has its own unique flavor and texture. 4. Corn is a highly productive crop. On average, a single cornstalk produces 1 or 2 ears of corn, with each ear containing around 800 kernels. 5. Corn is used in a wide variety of products beyond just food. It is a common ingredient in biofuels, animal feed, starch, corn syrup, and even in the production of plastic. 6. Corn is wind-pollinated, meaning that it relies on the wind to transfer pollen from the male flowers, tassels, to the female flowers, silks. Each silk strand corresponds to a potential kernel of corn. 7. The world's largest producer of corn is the United States, followed by China and Brazil. The United States alone produces about 1/3 of the world's corn supply. These facts demonstrate the significance and fascinating characteristics of corn as a crop that has played a crucial role in human history and continues to be an important agricultural commodity today.